Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top, just swipe down or 2 swipes, and you will have the entire list of toggles that are accessible to you by default, and one of them is power saving mode, as you can see right over here. Now once you find it, simply tap on it, and that's all you need to do for your power saving mode. Now, as you can see, it visually didn't change anything, so I have no idea what it's doing in the background, but it is enabled. Now I can give you one more tip. If the power saving mode isn't saving too much power because it's not really changing much here, you could fiddle around with a bunch of toggles that are enabled by default. So quickly going into a couple of them, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Most of the people most likely have both of them enabled, but if you don't need both, which you don't, then just turn off the one that you're not using and keep the one that you are using on. So as an example, right now I'm at the office, so I would just disable mobile data. I don't need it when I'm using Wi-Fi. Then on the second page we have nothing. We have some microphone. Okay, there's one Bluetooth. I'm not using it, so I'm gonna disable it. There should also be location somewhere. It looks like it's turned off by default, so let's just find it. Oh, turned off, I meant by just disabled, but I actually can't find it. Oh no, there it is. So it is turned off, looks like. But if location for you is turned on, you can turn it off as well. Some applications might give you crap about it, letting you know that they really need that location for no freaking reason. So usually those apps will not work without the location services, so you'll most likely need to turn them on. But the application will let you know about it. But these options will provide you just a little bit of extra battery life. And now last thing, for biggest battery gain would be the brightness. So if you're running your phone at max brightness, you can lower it down, and this should give you like about an hour of extra battery life, which is a really easy way to get extra battery life for just such a minute change. But now going back to the power saving mode, if you want to disable it, go so your phone starts working normally, meaning whatever it changed, I have no idea, revert those changes. Then you need to just press on the button and it turns off, and that's it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.